This morning, KPRC2 investigates auto insurance. Over the past year, auto insurance rates have been going up a whopping 15% in 1 year.
Yeah, so this morning, our investigator Bill Spencer has 5 brilliant solutions to help you slash your car insurance bill. Solutions that really work, that cut one woman's bill by 2/3, saving her thousands of dollars.
On every road all across the United States, drivers are racing toward record high insurance rates. In fact, for car insurance, that's a massive 15% price jump in just 1 year. Auto insurance rates zooming out of control over the past 3 years.
Car insurance costs are up tremendously. They're up about 27% from pre-pandemic times, and record high car prices and record high repair costs are leading to higher insurance bills.
And so when you get that bill, it's just complete sticker shock. And so it was devastating.
Lisa Pham is a credit analyst and a single mother of 3 from Richmond, who couldn't believe it when she was hit with a $12,000 a year auto insurance bill just to cover her GMC Yukon and her 17-year-old daughter's Chevy.
So many things were running through my mind. I was afraid my daughter couldn't drive, and she's a senior. And it was really hard. It was really hard to think about telling her that I can't afford for you to drive.
Now, with help from insurance broker Jessica Fuentes with Brazos Insurance in Sugar Land, we've got 5 brilliant ways to bring your auto insurance bill way down. Step number 1, contact an independent insurance broker who can check the rates with multiple insurance companies and do all the work for you for free.
Always shop your insurance and look for a broker that can shop multiple carriers for you. Look for someone who can check 10 to 12 carriers all at once so that you don't have to call around and make that many phone calls, and that can help you save money.
Step 2, increase your deductible. Deductibles can be as low as $100 and go as high as $10,000.
And the higher you keep taking that deductible, the lower you'll see your premium drop. So ask your agent for multiple options. Say, show me $1,000, show me $1,200, show me $2,000.
Step number 3, ask your carrier for a safe driver discount, which could save you 5 to 10%.
So for example, if you've not had any claims in the last 3 years, certain carriers will give you a safe driver discount for having a clean record for 3 years.
Step 4, if you have a teen driver on your policy, ask for a good student discount.
If your child has a B or better average in school or a 3.0 or higher GPA, and that can amount to up to 10% depending on if you're also doing driver's ed.
And step number 5, something more and more people are doing, ask to have a telematics discount. That's a device that goes inside your phone or inside your car and records how you drive every minute you're on the road.
A telematics device is always going to be an easy way to get an upfront discount, because most carriers will give you right up front a 10% discount just for participating. As the months go by and they get the results of your driving, you can earn up to a 30% discount on the next renewal.
Lisa Pham took Jessica's advice, did all of those things, and was able to actually cut her car insurance bill by a whopping 2/3, from over $6,000 every 6 months to just over $2,000.
What did you think about this savings? 2/3 less than what you're paying.
I thought it was amazing. I mean, I thought I could maybe save $1,000 or $2,000, but $4,000, like, that's a ton. I mean, that's a lot.
Yeah, Lisa is correct. That is an unbelievable amount of money to be saving, and she did it doing all of the tips that we just gave you right there. Jessica Fuentes helped her do it. The incredible thing is she was paying, again, $6,000 every 6 months for car insurance before she started doing these things, and she has a perfectly clean record. She never had an auto accident. She never had a ticket. So you can't get a much better driver than that, and yet she was paying $12,000 a year just for car insurance for herself and her daughter. So these tips work. Please put them to use.
It's interesting, too. You think some of us, I've been with the same agent or the same broker or same car insurance for years, right? I should just keep going with them. But you're saying no.
Yeah, well, that's what most people do. They get lazy. We all do. You know, hey, I've got my car insurance. I don't want to think about it. No, you should be shopping for a new company every single year. All you got to do is call a broker like Jessica, you know, who handles multiple companies. Have her shop for you every year, okay? Because that's the only way you're going to get the best deal. You stay with the same company, you know, who knows what you're getting.
That's right.
Shop it every year. Right now, it's too expensive to ignore it.
And make sure you tell them to do it. Do it.
Yeah, tell your broker, I want you to shop this.
They're
not going to do it.
I'm calling them right now.
You tell them.
No, you read. And
tell them.
Hey, Luke, you better pick up the phone. Spence told me I'm calling.
Bill, thank you so much for all those tips.
You got it.
All right.
No, seriously, I'm going to call.
Okay. Don't